Hey, what's going on guys? Toto Tech here. Welcome back to another PC build partless review video. So the price point for this video is $1,500, but I was able to save $2.64. But anyways guys, before this video starts, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys do enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also guys, don't forget, but link to all the parts are in the description below. But anyways guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, a major upgrade from a 500GB, I chose the Western Digital Blue SN 550 1TB NVMe internal SSD. So guys, you are able not to only have a few programs and your Windows, but maybe one or two or a couple games that are not big in size on this drive. And for the hard drive, I chose the Seagate Barracuda 3TB internal hard drive, so I did step it up from a 1TB to a 3TB. Probably next episode I'm going to try to fit maybe a 5TB or 4TB, just depending on if I can fit that depending on the components. So guys, for the power supply, I chose Silverstone Tech 750 watt 80 plus gold rated power supply. It has fixed pure black cables, so it doesn't show that ugly mustard cables in your build, so if you guys want to keep this clean, you can. So guys, for the graphics card, I chose the Asus Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Mini Overclockable Edition. So guys, for the RAM, I decided to go with the G.Skill 16GB DDR4 Trident Z RGB RAM. This is rated at 3600 MHz. So guys, for the case, I did go for a more higher end, so I chose the Dark Flash Phantom Black ATX Mid Tower. It has 6 fans pre-installed that are RGB and controllable. It also has a lot of good airflow areas for good air to come in and negative air to come out. And for the cooler, I choose the Cooler Master Liquid ML240L RGB V2. It uses a 3rd gen dual pump system, and it uses dual sickle flow. And for our motherboard, I went with the Gigabyte B365M DS3H. So guys, this supports both 8th gen and 9th gen processors. And for the processor, I chose the Intel Core i7-9700K, so this processor you are able to overclock with. Ending off with that, the final price point came out to $1,497.36. I was able to save $2.64. And that's just like right under our budget and a good little sweet spot. But anyways guys, that's going to wrap up for this video. If you guys did enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, link to the parts are in the description below.